Hello family, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take you through how to thread the Do It industrial sewing machine. So as you can see, I've taken my thread off the spool pin and I'm going to place it back. So after placing it back, I'm going to pass it through the hole directly on top of the spool pin and over to the first tension disc on the sewing machine. So this sewing machine has 3 different tension discs. So I'm going to pass it from the first tension disc through the holes that are beside it. Okay, so from the first hole through the tension disc to the second hole. So from there you're moving to the next thread guide on the sewing machine, which you can see that I'm threading at the moment using the third hole close to me, which is the last hole facing me. Okay, so from there you move on to the next tension disc on the sewing machine, which is the second one, and also the next thread guide as well. So move it from the hole on top of it through the tension disc, and below is the next thread guide after the second tension disc. Okay, so from there we'll move on to the next thread guide, which is the third tension disc on the sewing machine, as I was saying earlier. So from there we move on to the take up lever of the sewing machine. So as I'm demonstrating, this is how I've been threading it from the beginning. Okay, I've been showing you with my hand, as you can see. So we have moved on to the take up lever, but before we move on to the take up lever, there is one thread guide. There are even 2, so side by side the take up lever, you pass it through the first one, then over to the take up lever, then down to the other one, which is side by side the take up lever. They are side by side the take up lever, so there are 2. So from there you move on to the last but 2 thread guide, which is above the thread holder, which is above the needle holder. So when you move it through the needle holder, after that thread guide, then there is a hole within the needle holder as well, so you pass it through there, then you go below to the needle hole. So this is the last hole, which is the needle hole that we are threading. So this is how you thread the Do It industrial sewing machine. This is how you thread it. Thank you so much for watching.